Students, we are on decimal fraction type 11. Now, let us start with the questions. The first question is 1/4 of the tank. 1/4 of the tank holds 135 liters of water. So that means 135 liters of water is equal to 1/4 of the tank. But now we want to keep 180 liters in the tank. It will cover how much part of the tank? So this is x by 4. This 130 will come, 5 will come here, and we will get here 180. When you cancel it, it will go by 45. This goes by 3. So that means 180 liters will keep 1/3 of the tank full. So this is the answer. So where is 1/3? This is the 1/3. So very easy question. The only thing you need to understand how you can solve it. There are different ways to solve this. Either you can find the total capacity, and then that total capacity of the tank should be divided by 180. You'll get the same answer. Now we are moving to the question number 2. Here he says 1/8 of a pencil is black. This is black. Let us suppose this is black. I will put here black. So 1/8. 1/8 means 1 by 8. Half of the remaining pencil is yellow. Half of the remaining. What is left now? 7 by 8. Because 1 by 8 is gone. 7 by 8 is left. And that is a yellow. That is a yellow. And remaining is how much? This you solve it, comes out to be 7 by 2 centimeters. And total is the length of the pencil. That means x is the total length of the pencil, and 1/8 is black. Then he says half of the remaining. Half of the remaining means this is remaining. So we need to put half here. Half of the remaining. Rest is, this is 7 by 2. This is given, and whole is equal to x. Now I can take here LCM. LCM can be 16. Here I'll put 2x plus, this is 16. I'll put here 7x plus 7 by 2 into x. I'm not going to put this LCM here because it will make the question long. It will make my answers long, my steps long. So what is this? This is, so I will reduce this value from this x, because this is again x. So that means x minus, this will go to the other side, it will become 9x upon 16 is equal to 7 by 2. I've taken to this side, and 7 by 2 is this side. You can solve simplification. So 16x minus this is how much? 7x upon 16 is equal to 7 by 2. This will go away. So this will also go away. So that means x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8. Where is 8? This is the 8. So that means the total length of the pencil is 8 centimeters. Main catch of here is when 1/8 part is black, he says half of the remaining. This is remaining and this is half. Don't miss this half. And this is given and total is x. Then you can solve it. Now we are moving to the third question, which is again based on the statement. Here he says that pole in mud. How much pole is in mud? 2/5 of the pole is in mud. 1/3 of the remaining. Remaining is how much here? 3 by 5 x. And 1/3 of this is 1/3. It is in water. And 6 meters is above the water, and total is x. I'm repeating it. The total is x. That is the length of the pool. 2/5 is in mud. 1/3 of the remaining. This is remaining of this. When you 1 minus this is this. And then you have 6 meters above the water. And we are supposed to find the length of the pool. Length of the pool. So how you could do? LCM should be taken by only this. Don't try to solve 6 here, because it is already solved. So you can put here LCM 5 into 3. That is 15. So here we will get 6x. And this is 15. Here we'll get 3x. And this is plus 6 is equal to x. Now this whole value will go to the other side. That means other side means x minus, this is how much? 9 upon this is 15 is equal to 6. And this is what? Again x. So when you solve this, it's come to be 6x upon 15 is equal to 6. This is cancelled. So that means x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15. Where is the 15? This is the 15. Here is the 15. So that means you are able to solve like this only. This is a statement. Again, repeating 1/5 in mud. 1/3 of the remainder. 1 minus this is this much. This is remaining. And 1/3. 1/3. And then 6 is above the water. And total pore length is x. Solve this and you will get the answer 15. So this is important question. These type of questions do come in the exam. Now we are moving to the next. Here he says the earth's surface is covered by either land or water. Land means L, water means W. The proportion covered by land is 3/5 of the covered by water. This is given. Two things are given, that earth is covered by land or water. Then he says the proportion covered by land is 3/5 of the water. 3/5 of the water. From here I can judge L, this W will come here 3/5. That means 3 parts is of the earth is covered by land and 5 part is covered by water. Then he says what fraction of entire earth is a land. So land is how much here? 3. Total is 3 plus 5. Total part is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. That means 3/8 part is land. So where is 3/8? This is 3/8. So like this, you will be able to understand. So use L for land, W for water. Don't take X and Y, otherwise you make mistake that what is X, what is Y. So always take L and W. So now we are moving to these questions are 4 and these are questions for your homework. So students, I hope you have understood. Now we are moving to the next type. Thank you so much.